to service management focuses on three areas where we can bring greater agility and improve customer satisfaction overall. And that is, first of all, just focusing on the customer, understanding their needs and how we need to establish the right channel for support, and then also carrying forward to learning continually and adapting. The other part of this is knowledge-centric. As we talked about the importance of shift left, it's understanding and learning from the knowledge that's going to deliver the greatest value for our customers and building upon that. And then finally, streamlining. Streamlined service desk isn't just about automation. Now, it plays a very important role, but the other part of that is shrinking the box. Are we getting the right requests to the right teams? Are we working on the right items? And so there's a lot of questions and learning that go into this approach. Let's take a look at a demo in Jira Service Desk and see what's possible. So we'll begin with Help Central. This is the web portal that sits over the top of all of these service teams. As you can see, it is driven by search. We'll spend a few minutes with that, but I want to just point out the overall look and feel. You can make and tailor this to look like your environment. Now, the way it works is it's all by search. So I can come in here, and I can navigate. So I can come in here and navigate through all of the different service teams and find, okay, I want to go to Workplace IT Support. But what I want to do is begin with search, because most end users in their day-to-day life use search. So if I had a question around Office, let's say about Office Moves or Office Community Bikes, you see the knowledge articles come up first, and then the request forms are below that, based on the different teams. This is for HR, we have one for IT support, and so on. But I can choose to, let's say I have a question about email. I have the ability to come in, and there it is right there. It's the knowledge article. I'm having problems configuring my email client on my Mac, and it takes me through a very nicely written knowledge article. Is written by the support staff to be able to explain how I can do this. You can see that I can indicate, yes, it solved my problem, or no, I didn't. So let's say I need a new notebook. I have the ability here, again, searching, finding knowledge articles, but here's the item that I want. I'm going to go and say joining. In addition to this, we're pulling some data in from our asset CMDB. So this is being requested for Kevin. I'm going to go ahead and indicate this. If I'm requesting for someone else, I could go ahead and do that. What office do they want it delivered to? And again, I could do a lookup and have some of this data set, but we're allowing them to interact. And the other thing is we're allowing them to pick from the inventory. This could be more of picking a device configuration or a manufacturer. So there's all kinds of ways that customers implement this. We're seeing data from the CMDB, including not only the device, but its configuration and its screen size. So we'll go with the MacBook Air. We'll click Create. And now we're off to an approval. So here as an end user, I can see that as an update has come in, this is an automated update that was created by an automation rule. So again, it's delivering that personalization of support. And we're also seeing that Mitch is doing the approval. Let's go do the approval. So Mitch Davis, who is the manager for this person, would get the notification. They could do this from the email, but they also can come into the portal and they can say, okay, here's the request. I'm going to go ahead and review it and approve it. And another automation rule has run at this point telling me that when I should expect this. So Kevin is the requester, got the same notification saying it's been approved, the purchasing team is working on it. Please let us know if you have any questions. In addition to this, behind the scenes, we're going to go ahead and see that the notebook is sitting in the queue waiting for the team. They know exactly which device is in inventory. They know who Kevin is. They know who's phone, how to contact him. And the other thing I wanted to point out is an automation rule that Kevin doesn't see that's automatically telling the purchasing team and Max Taylor is on that team, that go ahead and set this up. It's ready to go ahead and provision, order, or pull out inventory. They want them to provide back the PO and shipping. So this is a very short and simple example, but we can take the full-in provisioning of devices and services for end users to deliver this level of support in Jira Service Desk.